Hi guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Prince has finally found his queen. Bbnaija housemate Prince has revealed why he prefers to be with Tolanibaj over Nengi. He has been entangled with Nengi and Tolanibaj, however, he is mostly seen with Tolanibaj recently, and he has revealed why he chose her over Nengi. Recall that Prince, Nengi and Ozo have been caught in a triangular relationship for a very long time now in the house, and it is just wise, it is okay now for him to pull himself out of that triangle and move to the person that he knows has his time, and that is Tolanibaj. So in a discussion with Erica, Prince revealed that he likes Tolanibaj over Nengi. He said, "I'm not always about the physical and I weigh different things before deciding. I choose Tolanibaj over Nengi not because I was rejected by Nengi, but because she ticked all the boxes I want in the house." Okay guys, he didn't go ahead to stress to tell us the boxes she ticked, but we all know Tolanibaj is a very strong-willed lady and she's not going to let go of Prince in the house. So guys, what are your thoughts? Do you think Prince and Tolanibaj look good together? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.